Alright, my friend. This is it now. Close the skirt. Here, you know, show down for my parade, you know.
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Me, I wonder what going. You want to see the pants and the hat? It's at work time. How am I going to paint this now? Probably I have to go paint the bottom portion. But then, it full up a coal and them thing there. You know what? Kind of confusing right now because the on the stand, you know what? Let me give it a 360 so I can go around it 360 and paint, right? Because once you start paint, you don't move it and again it's full. So I have to probably leave the bottom in a red. And then, you know what? I try painting a black someplace. Hopefully the paint can stretch. I think I'm going to leave the stand in the color that it is. I'm not going to use up a paint pan. I'm going to leave it in the primer color, which is the red. I try to get under here so no matter so much. I really and truly the part more work on. I put the big X right here so for the Jamaican flag. And then under here so I kind of paint half yellow, half black, half green. And then the same thing for the back portion of it. That makes sense. So only have the flag right here so on the part we open up on the lid. So let's go. Let's go. I have to go bend down to paint on there. So the first thing I want to do, I want to get a piece of tape. You get where I come from? I need some tape so we can outline the thing there. So we can outline the flag. So from one end, so drop a tape right off this. So. Alright, that look about centered with the X. That look good, spot on. Look on the X now. You see that? The X come drop right in the middle there so. Cause again, you know, I want everything lined up. I want a little lean X. Alright. Yes. Yes. Probably that part here so. Coulda, you see this? That's a little bit small. That's a little bit big. People, please see with me. You see this a little triangle looking part there versus a big one there? Yeah, me very OCD, so we need to fix that. Yes, that look more like it. Me very OCD, you see that? Yeah. Even. And then you see how that little part here come right at the center of the lock. And it come at the center of the hanger. Yeah, I'm very OCD. Only thing now, I can't have this looking this lean. So I'm going to fix up my tape. So now, there's a piece of tape go right there. So. And then now the 22 mark. And next piece of tape. So the concept is to put the flag right there. So, right? And then right there. So now I'm going to put like black, green, and yellow. But then again, will it look weird? You get me? I'm if you just put the whole of in a black. Yeah, you know what? If you don't confuse the front, I'm going to put all of this part in a black. Right? Watch me now. The whole of in a black. But I come done put the tape already. You know, come around on the back because you're not going to see the flag make it look confusing. Then now, make you drop black, green, and yellow. Understand what I say? Yeah, I'm going to do that. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. So, let's get started, my people. 3 little piece of bamboo. Cause we have 3 tin of paint. This is a 250 ml, you know. You know the black I go stretch 240 ml. That's not a lot. Get one little paintbrush. I go in with my gloves because I don't able. It's rain, you know. But Father gotta go hold up for me. You see what I say? So we're gonna start off with the black. Alright. Mix out the paint a little bit with a little stick. Alright, let's start apply our first coat. Alright, so the black. Yeah, the rain the people. See how it look. Ah boy. Let's just say it's not looking good. But we gonna trust the process. Now we have to get a couple coats well. I don't ramp in my thing, you know. You don't see me grill. You don't see me grill. Okay. I don't say no much, you know. Means I couldn't know. So when you don't see me grill, you don't know what time it is. You see me I say? You know, so it's not a play thing. I go do the hanger black for sure. Right? Yeah. Cause that color then a show dirt and I go touch up the most. So I keep it hanger black. I get a little knobby black too. And we're gonna get this one black too. Sometimes I plan stuff and it don't go as planned, but as I execute, the idea just come to me and it come together perfectly in the end. For those out there who may know what type of thing that is, let me know. Sometimes I may plan something I may not plan, but just by doing it, I say, I do it that way. And we know many things in our life you need a planning, but sometimes I do certain things when I tell you, the idea just come as I go, become the plan to do. Black, yellow, and green, but me in my head, but me I say it, me I say, nah, go. Through my OCD, me I say, nah, go look how I want it. But by doing this, me I say, oh, you could have continue the black, from the side, the front, come right back down, and then put yellow and yellow there, so green and green right there, so. So you just get that little even look there versus me have one yellow, one green, and then it just look off. You know, it don't make sense to you. Or probably it does, but hey, I my project. But I know say at the end of it all, you are gonna love it. His blood will carry me all thy way. Some people on the tube good there look for me glass. I can all grill that you have yet and there. You have to have vision, my friend. You have to be a man of vision. All the way. You see that? Huh? I don't know if you see that. You see vision? Tell me say you see vision, please. Eh? You don't see vision, man? How you finna see that? Shine, I'm pretty, you fret. This are the oil paint, my friend. You see me? Shine, I'm pretty. Yeah. So make the first you can rough coat one dry. You see me? Then we are gonna drop the green here, so the green here, so you don't know the yellow in the middle. See it there? No, my grill look puzzle. Around with me, you know. Then run the back here, so now see it now. This is what I decided to do, right? I go put because the yellow should be in the middle, so I go put the yellow here, so and then put 2 green right there, and we'll finish up back with the black at the end. Versus I just do the whole here, so black, green, and yellow. That's ugly. So I keep black, green, green, and then like how the flag set, yellow in the middle, one set of yellow. So you come on the back side there, so I just the solid Jamaican color I get same way, but no pop brown as you know what you have pan the they call that something pan the lid. Now the Jamaican flag, man. I feel like I'm gonna need more personal, you know. Should I run go up the road? Cause I this one hardware open. I go up the road. Cause I know the cursing all done. And then the thinner. I go up the road. You know come. You are go on. I don't have much cursing oil, so I go cut this so. Put the paintbrush in it, make it go and do what I do. I have the kind of lamp inside there. But I'm not sure how well. Put the brush in that. That way it don't become tough. You see me? See eh? Just went out, got the kerosene oil, $510, not bad. Ooh, kind of run a little bit. Go mix it up, a little bit of kerosene oil get in there. Right, my friend, this is it now. Alright, all the black is completed. I wash out this before the rain catch me. We get turf green. Mix it up. Not the green that I look for. Oh no, come on, man. Come here. I'm showing them my painting skills. You ramp with me? Oh. Talk too fast. Alright. If you get in them, dab it. You get in a little hole them, you know what I say? That's how you get in a little creases. Dab it. So when we're done, close the skirt. Rain a forward dunk here. Sure man, the rain a shower down from a parade, you know. But it's a blessing still. Showers a blessing, we not complain though. Just a wait till Father God done doing work and we continue for you. No say it go. Jesus. Wait. Wait. Wow. Wait. Alright, my friends. Everything is dry. Not dry, but everything is up. So at least the grill didn't get wet. Yo, me say this I go look good, you know. I just put you right in the corner this. Watch your clothes, watch your clothes. Go on, go on. Alright, camera, I forgot to turn off because I'm wet up right now. I finished painting when I'm done, I'm showing you what I go on. Let's see. So I took the painting on the veranda because the rain outside. I don't think I've done to finish this project today. And I need to because I have school. I don't have all the time in the world. See, I do this the next day. I need it done, I need it dry. But I'm gonna do the yellow now, my friends. So the green, I had to touch up it back a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna make this dry now. And then we touch it with the yellow. Alright, my friends, see it there now? It's not done yet because obviously you still see a little bit of the red jump in the yellow. So once it's fully dried, then I'm going to put some tape out here, so that way I can maneuver it better. But what you think? On my jump steer? Yes, me I say. Then you go so boom now. You come around here so. See it there now? See it there now? As I say, these parts I'm going to tape them up and kind of get back the green and everything. But see it there? See it there now? The black, green, and the yellow in the middle. These little parts, as I said, because the tape was on there, it kind of strip off the paint. But I have the black, I kind of go back over them little area, them still paint underneath too. If you don't know really show me still go underneath with the black. But yeah, that is it, you know.
Later that same evening.
Alright, so right now after 10 p.m. I don't remember what time I started this project, but I'm gonna give a wild guess and say after 1, right? Reason being we're just cooking the little bit. So it kinda start bubble up a little bit at the grill. And yeah, rain come down hard, but we finally doing it. I tell myself I now use tomorrow and do this 1 day project, right? So now I'm gonna show you what I go on. Come show you what I go on around so. I had the yellow extended to out here, but I didn't like how that look. So I kept everything into this square right here. If you look around the back right here, we have yellow and black at the back. Stay tuned for the satisfying part. This is the satisfying part. Look at that. Everybody likes this part, eh? Holy! Oh my days! How did that escape under the tape? Wipe off a little part, because you don't know nothing going on. Your people, don't judge me. I'm very OCD. That's a little better. This is the satisfying part. Kind of escape a little bit under the tape. Holy! Thing up, people. See, you know? Nice and clean. You know what I mean? This is it. Telling you, you know, have what you call that something there? You have to have vision. You see my forward from when I just got it, red look beat up, welding colors here and there. So just wait until the thing paint up. And I wanted to do this. I didn't allow the person who made it to paint it. I wanted to do the project myself. I enjoy arts and craft like this. You see what I say? But I think I go kind of low up them things moving forward because I have OCD. You look at one speck of yellow over here, so I bother me a little bit, but we allow it out. You know what I say? But overall, we're looking good. I look a mess. Be a paint upon me. I'm gonna log out right now. As I said, I have to take it on the veranda and mess up out or so. And that's it for the rest of the night. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And so the command for jerk, me got the thing. We have jerk fish, jerk corn, jerk chicken. We have jerk wings. We have how to make the jerk marinade, how to make the jerk sauce, how to make the jerk powder. All of that. So just check out the channel in the playlist and get everything. You see me? We have a throw a whole heap of things on the grill. I show you how to make a pizza on the grill. Check out my summer series, or you can check out the quick and easy series, and you find everything I'm up on the grill. But like how this grill make, just know say every week we are active outside. You see what I say? Yeah man, the real way. And as I said, I just cut off the yellow and make it have a more flush look with the flag right there. And then the back, black, green, yellow, black, green. Everything just even. Give them a shot at the up top or the up part. Yeah man, see it there? So that's the back portion of it. Don't wash my veranda, man. Clean it up with that grill. And then it comes to now. Boom. You see me? Thing up. We done, man. Like that, man. I log out for the night. I go beard clean off myself. As I say, I'm almost 11 o'clock now. I have class at morning, so you know the thing go. So as usual, you see, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give the video a like. Give the video a thumbs up. So if you love my vibe, hit subscribe because we have over 500 and odd videos and counting. Don't think I'm joking. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below what you think. You see me I say? Project completed. Be a grilling to go on. See until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.